In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add white borders in Canva. Whether you're enhancing your design for social media, creating a standout presentation, or just adding a personal touch to your photos, this technique will definitely come in handy. Let's dive right in and get started with these simple steps. First, you'll want to open Canva and navigate to your design. Once you're in, select the image to which you'd like to add a border. This image could be part of a larger project or a standalone piece, depending on what you're working on. Simply click on the image and you'll see a toolbar appear at the top of the screen. This toolbar is packed with options that allow you to edit and enhance your image. Next, direct your attention to the top toolbar and click on the Edit button. This will open up a variety of editing options for your selected image. From here, look over to the left sidebar, which contains different effects and enhancements you can apply. We are particularly interested in the shadow section today. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Outline. Click on Outline to start creating your border. Once you've selected Outline, a settings menu will appear. Here, you'll be able to customize your border to fit your exact needs. To access these settings, simply click on the Settings option that appears alongside the outline effect. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to adjust the width and color of your border. For a classic and clean look, adjust the border width to your liking. You can make it as thin or as thick as you want, depending on the effect you're aiming for. After you've set the width, it's time to choose your color. Since we're focusing on white borders today, go ahead and select white from the color palette. This will give your image a crisp, defined look that stands out beautifully against most backgrounds. As you make these adjustments, you'll see a preview of your changes in real time. Feel free to experiment with different widths until you achieve the look you desire. Remember, the goal here is to enhance your image, so take your time to get it just right. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've added a professional-looking white border to your image using Canva. This technique is an excellent way to draw attention to specific parts of your design and give your work that extra bit of polish. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.